What if the job you're doing today didn't exist 10 years ago? What if the job you'll be doing 10 years from now doesn't exist today? The future of work is changing rapidly, and AI is leading the charge. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword anymore, it's an integral part of our lives, reshaping industries and the job market as we know it. The rise of AI has given birth to new roles that were unfathomable a decade ago, like AI ethicists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers. At the same time, automation is phasing out jobs that were once thought indispensable. And then there's generative AI, a game changer that's pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. It's a technology that uses machine learning to produce new content, whether it's a piece of music, a work of art, or a scientific hypothesis. As the digital frontier expands, so do the possibilities for our careers and industries. Consider the healthcare industry, a sector that has seen significant AI integration. Artificial intelligence has proven to be a game changer in diagnosing diseases. Innovative algorithms can now analyze medical images with impressive accuracy, sometimes outperforming experienced radiologists. This is not to say that radiologists are being replaced, but rather their roles are evolving, shifting towards more complex diagnostic tasks. AI is also revolutionizing the way patient data is managed. Information that was once buried in mountains of paperwork can now be efficiently stored, analyzed, and accessed, freeing healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care than administrative tasks. Even surgical procedures are not immune to the AI wave. Robotic surgery, guided by AI, allows for greater precision and less invasive procedures, leading to quicker patient recovery. Surgeons are transitioning from operators to supervisors, overseeing AI systems to ensure the best patient outcomes. In the healthcare sector, AI has not only improved patient care, but also redefined job roles. Switching gears, let's take a look at the manufacturing industry. This sector has experienced a significant transformation due to the advent of AI and automation. Efficiency is the name of the game, and these technologies are the star players. They've not only accelerated production rates but have also enhanced precision and quality of output. Just think about it. Machines tirelessly working round the clock without breaks, without errors. It's the perfect embodiment of work smart, not hard. But what does this mean for the workforce? Well, while it's true that manual labor jobs have seen a decline, there's been an upswing in roles requiring AI programming and maintenance skills. Workers are now expected to master the nuts and bolts of these technologies. The shift is clear, from muscle to mind, from physical to digital. The manufacturing workforce is now more about brains than brawn. In manufacturing, AI has streamlined processes and shifted the workforce towards more technical roles. So, what skills will be in demand in this AI-driven future? As we move further into the age of artificial intelligence, adaptability emerges as a key trait. Why, you ask? It's simple. AI is evolving at a rapid pace, and professionals need to be able to pivot and adapt to these changes. Being adaptable means being open to new technologies, new methods, and new ways of thinking. Next up, technical knowledge. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to be an AI expert, but a basic understanding of AI and its applications in your field is becoming increasingly important. This includes understanding how AI can enhance your work and how to use AI tools effectively. Finally, the ability to work with AI. This means knowing how to leverage AI to maximize productivity, efficiency, and innovation. It's about working alongside AI, not against it. And of course, continuous learning is crucial. With AI constantly advancing, lifelong learning is no longer a luxury but a necessity. In the future of work, adaptability and a willingness to learn may be your most valuable assets. So, what have we learned about the future of work and the role of AI? Well, we've journeyed through the transforming landscapes of industries like healthcare and manufacturing, witnessing firsthand how AI is not just reshaping, but revolutionizing these sectors. It's clear that automation is creating new roles, while also rendering some traditional ones obsolete. As we move forward, adaptability becomes key. Being open to change, ready to learn and evolve, that's what will keep us relevant in this rapidly changing job market. Alongside this, technical knowledge is no longer a bonus, but a necessity. Understanding AI and harnessing its potential will be crucial competencies in our evolving workplaces. But remember, AI is a tool. Our ability to work with it, to collaborate and innovate, that's what will truly define the future of work. One thing is certain, the future of work will be a fascinating journey, shaped by the relentless evolution of AI.